Hello smart minds, welcome back to Zippy Learning. In today's lesson, we will revisit Finger Abacus level 1 but in a faster, smarter and more advanced way. So let's begin. We can use both of our hands like Abacus tool. In Abacus tool, we consider the rod in the middle with white dot as our home point or ones place. Value of upper bit on ones place is 5. Value of each lower bit on ones place is 1. Total 4 and 5. 9. We can use our right hand as ones place of Abacus tool. Thumb finger works as upper bit. Value of thumb finger in right hand is 5. The rest of the fingers work as lower bits. Value of each finger is 1. Total 4 and 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next to ones place is tens place. Value of upper bit is 50. Value of each lower bit is 10. Total 40 and 50, 90. We can use our left hand as tens place of Abacus tool. Thumb finger works as upper bit. Value of thumb finger in left hand is 50. Rest of the 4 fingers work as lower bits. Value of each finger is 10. Total 40 and 50, 90. In our left hand, total value of fingers is 90. In our right hand, total value of fingers is 9. 99. In this way, we can count 1 to 99 using our 10 fingers. Now let's combine both of our hands and place 2-digit numbers. We are in 0 position. Place 23, 10 and 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 23. Place 37, 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 7, 5, 6, 7, 37, 48, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 48, 54, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 54, 79, 50 and 10, 60 and 10, 70 and 9, 5 and 4, 9, 79, 85, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 5, 80 and 5, 99, 50 and 40, 90, 5 and 4, 9, 99. Now we will perform some simple addition and subtraction applying fingers from both of our hands. We are in 0 position. Add 13, 10 and 3, 13 plus 15, 10 and 5, 15 plus 21, 20 and 1. Total value of fingers is 40 and 9, 49. 52, 52 plus 25, 25 minus 17, less 10 and less 7, 5 and 2, 7. Total value of fingers is 50 and 10, 60, 77. 50, 10, 60, 10, 70 and 7. Minus 51, less 50 and less 1, plus 21, 20 and 1. Total value of fingers is 40 and 5 and 2, 7, 47. 97, 50 and 40, 97, 5 and 2, 7, 97. Minus 65, 50 and 10, 60 and 5. Minus 65 plus 62, 50 and 10, 60 and 2, 62. Total value of fingers is 50 and 40, 90 and 4, 94. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and learned something. We have already provided lessons from all the levels of Abacus and Finger Abacus. You can check our playlist, Abacus tutorial videos, Abacus Plus and Finger Abacus. Stay with us by doing like, share and subscribe to Zippy Learning. Thank you.